welcome back to Tech Daniel, and in today's video I will show you how to make and create a YouTube channel, any methods, and yeah, on mobile and desktop. Let's get started. So first thing we do is you go to YouTube. This is on the YouTube app. You click on the upper right hand corner. There should be a picture right here, person. You click on that, then you press sign in, then you press add account, and you can always use YouTube signed out by just clicking that. And then YouTube wants to use google.com to sign in, and then you just press continue, and then it should lead you to this accounts.google.com right here. And right here you could use, first there's one way. First you're going to use, if you already have a Google account, a Gmail account, something like that, all you could do is just put in your thing in, and then you enter in. And yeah, another way is you add in your password and complete some info. You press where it says create account. Let's say for yourself or to manage your business. Most people will just manage business. And then you type in your name. Then you enter in. Then you enter your birthday. And you choose which gender. And then you type in a Google account, or whatever you want to make up. And maybe use something that would work. Let's see this, and then put it in a password. And then if you want, you can put in your phone number right here. And then, but if you don't want to, you don't have to. Then you just press skip. Then you press next. And then you have to read privacy and terms and all that. Press I agree. And it should load up. And there it should. A name. And you can, it allows you to subscribe to people and all that. And okay, so and you can always go out, go on info, seriously, switch account, your channel, and you'll have to make your channel, and you create your channel, and then there, and it'll work. Then what you do, go on the Safari thing. This probably will also work on Chrome, but you just go to YouTube.com. Now, there's actually two more methods. But what you do is you go up here, click on this. And you just click on the profile. This is if you want to make another account of this. Then you click on the settings. And then what you do is just see all my channels or create a new channel. Click on that. And then right here it says create new channel. And you just type in what you want and you create it. Sometimes it probably won't work, but then sometimes it will work. For me it doesn't work, but it will for you. And then it'll just go into your account and you can just automatically just use it and stuff. Yeah. And then another way, let's say you're signed out, which most of you probably guys maybe. But what you do is you click on sign in, and then there's all your accounts. And what you do is you use another account. You could use another account, or you could remove an account. You use another account, and then right here again, like the YouTube thing, just enter your email or phone, or you can just create an account to manage yourself or for your business. And then you just have to fill this out. Most likely you would need to create a Gmail account instead. And just type in your first name, last name, password, and then you just go next, and then probably sign in like I showed you on the YouTube thing. That's method 3. So I hope that worked. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Eat.